Hello everyone, this is Akshita, your educator, and I welcome you all on the platform of Global Online. As we know friends, Global Online platform has launched a complete course for upcoming CTET examination 2023, and in this particular course we'll be discussing the whole syllabus of the CTET exam. In this particular series we have start up with mathematics paper 1 as well as paper 2. So in today's lecture we'll be talking about the topic common in between paper 1 as well as paper 2, that is mensuration. We have already discussed one more lecture on it. So in today's lecture we'll discuss how to calculate the questions based upon the 2D structures, that is area, perimeter, diagonals of 2D structures. Okay, so even the students who find themselves weak at mathematics can score maximum marks is the highlighting feature of this particular course, so that you can get maximum marks in the examination, and this particular course will be exclusively in English language. For the central teacher eligibility test friends, a complete course has been launched by Global Online platform for paper 1 as well as for the paper 2. So if you want to get enrolled to the course, you can download the Global Online application or contact us on this given WhatsApp number, which is 8669316919 or 8179138413. The highlighting feature of this particular course will be one-on-one mentorship will be provided to you once you get enrolled to the course. Global Online application, as I have told you, is available on the Play Store, from where you can install the application. Once installed it, open the application, you will find such type of interface. In this particular interface there is an icon named as a store icon downwards. If you look at the icon, you have to click on it. You will move to the page called as My Courses, and in My Courses there is a tab. In that search tab you have to type CTET. Once you type CTET course, along with the fees will be displayed downwards, and hence you can get enrolled to the course. Without any further ado, let us begin with today's lecture. The very first question of the lecture is, the diagonal of the rectangular field is 15 meter. They have mentioned as the dimensions of the diagonal of a rectangle, and the area of the rectangle is 108 meters square. What is the cost of fencing the field at 50.50 per meter? So first thing that you have to understand here is we have to actually fence a field. It is a rectangular field. Okay, so for fencing the field, whether we have to calculate the area or we have to calculate the perimeter is the first question that should come in your mind. So whenever we are talking about just fencing the things, now whenever we look at any plot, okay, where plants are grown or some property is there, basically that property or that particular farm is fenced, okay, so that animals, wild animals do not enter, should not enter in that particular area, so that such fencing is carried out. So fencing is done on the borders of this area, right? Am I right? The border of this land is only done with the fencing, not the inner part. Hence here area is not calculated. We have to calculate the perimeter is the first thing that you have to decode here. Okay, to fence one particular field or any particular ground, it means we have to calculate the perimeter, not the area. The first thing. Now the second thing that they have mentioned here is they have given the length of the diagonal. Now we know for any rectangular field, the diagonal is going to divide please note this, the diagonal is going to divide it into two equal parts. We have already discussed in the previous class, right? So for example, this is the length, this is the breadth. So for any rectangle, diagonal is equal to, diagonal is calculated using this formula. Diagonal for any rectangular field is equal to under root of L square plus B square. Okay, this is the formula for the diagonal of a rectangle. Okay, please note down this formula. Now what is given in the question? They have given us the length of the diagonal, that is 15 meters. So can I write 15 meter is equal to under root of L square plus B square, right? So here L square plus B square, can I rewrite this as L square plus B square is equal to 225 meters. What I have done, I have simply taken square root, I have squared it on both the sides. Squaring on both the sides, square root will be removed and take 15 ka square, that will give us 225. Okay, so L square plus B square is equal to 225. This is the first thing. Now second thing that they have mentioned in the question is the area. What is the area given? Area is equals to 108 meters square. We know the formula for the area of rectangle. Area of any rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Okay, so given area is equals to 108 is equals to length into breadth. Simply what I am going to do right now, just remember one thing. What I am going to do here is I am going to multiply 2 on both the sides, on LHS as well as on the RHS side. Why come, I'll tell you. Okay, I have simply multiplied 2 on both the sides, LHS as well as RHS. Now I have got two values here. What? 108 into 2 will give me 216. This is equals to twice of LB. Okay, now I got two values. One is L square plus B square and the second one is twice of LB. Okay, in simplification formulas, I have explained you one formula. That was L plus B the whole square is equals to L square plus B square plus 2LB. This was the formula that I have explained you already, that is A plus B the whole square is equals to A square plus B square plus 2AB. If you don't know, please note down these three formulas. Okay, one for first formula, this one. This is the formula of simplification. The second one, that is the area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. The diagonal of a rectangle is given by diagonal is equals to under root of L square plus B square. Okay, so now here one more, I'll change the color of pen. Here I have got L square plus B square value, that is equals to 225. Here it is L square plus B square. Can I substitute this value at this place? Yes, I can. So simply write here 225. Simply 2LB can be substituted with the value 216, as we have got 2LB is equals to 216. So can I write here 216? Remaining formula as it is, L plus B the whole square is equal to 225 plus 216. Right? This will give me 441 is equal to L square plus B square. If I will take square root on both the sides, square root, taking square root on LHS as well as RHS, I'll get L plus B is equal to, L plus B is equal to 21. Got it? Got it? Yes. I hope you have got the thing what I have explained you over here. Okay, so simply now actually we are finding here the perimeter. Yes, what we got, it is as 21. We got it as 21. Now what they have told us here is, what is the cost of fencing the field at 50.50 per meter. 50.50 per meter they have asked us to calculate. So simply what we are going to do, 21 into 50.50, answer will be 2121. Got it? So even if you have not got the whole question, the things that you have to remember here is the formula of the diagonal, that is equal to under root of L square plus B square. First thing. The second thing is area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Okay, so whatever the thing that we are getting from the formula of the diagonal and from the area, we are substituting it in the simplification formula, that is L plus B the whole square is equal to L square plus B square plus 2LB. This will be more than enough. Okay, so after getting the formulas, please revise this question whatever I have explained you, then you will be able to solve it. Moving on to the next question. Question given here. Now this is the simple question. Actually the first question was quite difficult, not difficult but too lengthy, we can say, a little bit lengthy. Okay, so for the question number 2, 3, 4 are little bit actually they are very simple. Okay, so just you have to understand those formulas of the rectangle. Now question number 2 is talking about the perimeter of the rectangular table is given, that is equal to 48 centimeter. Now we know the perimeter, it means the boundaries. For example, this is that rectangular table whose perimeter they have given is equal to 48 centimeter. Now second thing that they have given is, if the area of the rectangular table is 128, this is centimeter square. this is centimeter square, then what will be the length of the table? Now they have given us area is equals to 128 centimeter square. Two formulas that you have to keep in mind, one is the perimeter and the second one is the area. Okay, so here what is given? The perimeter is given. We know the formula for the perimeter. Perimeter is nothing but the summation of all the boundaries. Okay, this is length, this is breadth. So twice of length plus breadth, 2L plus 2B is the perimeter, right? So I'll take twice of L plus B. This is the perimeter's formula of rectangle. Got it? What is given perimeter? Perimeter is equals to 48 twice of L plus B. Now we know the formula for area. Area is equal to length into breadth. What is the given area? 128 centimeter square is equal to length into breadth is the formula for the area of the rectangle. So without solving all this, one thing that you can clearly do over here is just check where the multiplication of any given length will come 128. It means in the options, if we look, they have given us the length. So simply take a number in that particular number, in that particular numbers table. 128 should compulsorily come. Okay, now in table of 10, 128 will not come. Similarly in the table of 18 also it will not come. In the table of 12 also it won't come. It comes in the table of 16. So simply answer will be 16. Got it? Here simply we have checked the multiples. Okay, and we have got the answer. In this way also you can solve the question. Just give me a minute. And then moving on to the next question. The next question is talking us about the length of the diagonal of a square is a 12 centimeter. Find its area in a centimeter square is the question. Okay, so here you have to understand again two formulas. First thing is, we must know what is the diagonal of the square. For example, this is a square, okay, and we know the square has same sides. All the sides of this square are similar, they are same. Okay, to calculate the diagonal of a square, there is a formula. Diagonal is equal to side under root of 2. Diagonal of a square is equal to side under root of 2. Okay, so in the given question they have given us the diagonal's length, that is equal to 12 centimeter. I'll substitute over here. Diagonal is equal to 12 centimeter is equal to side under root of 2. From this particular formula I am going to get the side of the square. Can I get? Yes. So I'll write 12 upon under root of 2 is equal to the side. This will give me the side of the square. Okay, now what I'll do here is I'll multiply by under root of 2 on numerator side as well as on the denominator place also. What I have done, 12 under root of 2, I have simply multiplied under root of 2 in the numerator as well as in the denominator. So what I'll get here? I'll get here 12 under root of 2, and root 2 into root 2 will give me 2. This will give me 6 under root of 2. Got it? So I have got the side now. Side is equal to 6 under root of 2. The second thing that we know is all the sides of the square are equal. Please note it down. This is the first thing. Now we know the formula for the area of the square. Area of the square is equals to side square. We know the value of the side, that is equals to 6 under root of 2 square. Yes, this will give me 6 square is 36, and root 2 into root 2 will give me 2. So 36 into 2 will give me 72. So the correct answer for the given question is option number second, that is 72. The area of the square is equals to 72 centimeter square. Got it? Moving on to the next question. Now here you have to understand again two formulas. This was the first formula and this was the second formula. The fourth question of lecture. The area of the square inscribed in a circle of a radius 8 centimeter. We have to find the area of the square which is inscribed in a circle. Now what does this particular line tell us? This line is telling us that there is one square which is inscribed, or we can say which is in a, or which is inserted in a circular shape. Please try to understand the diagram. I am not able to draw a proper diagram over here, but this is a square shape, and this square shape has been enclosed in a circular shape. In this way. Okay, the second thing, I'm not able to draw a proper and a good diagram, so try to understand the things whatever I'm telling you over here. Now the square has been inscribed in a circle. We have understood the statement, I guess. Now the square has been inscribed in a circle or enclosed in a circle where the radius of the circle has been mentioned. For example, this is the radius. The radius is equals to 8 centimeter, and we know the diameter of any circle is double that of the radius, right? So twice of 8 will give me 16. For example, this is 8 centimeter, then the rest will be 8 centimeter. It means it will give me total 16 centimeter as the diameter. I hope you have got it. The radius given is 8 centimeter, so diameter will be 16 centimeter. Got it? So the second thing that you have to keep in mind here is, now we have to find the area. Area of square is equals to side square, but we don't know what is side, but we can find the side. How come? We can find the side based upon the formula of the diagonal of the square. Yes, this is the diagonal again. This is the diagonal, right? So diagonal's length is 8 plus 8 centimeter, that will give me 16 centimeter. So diagonal of a square is equal to side under root of 2. Let us consider the side as a centimeter, a centimeter, a centimeter, a centimeter. Okay, so a under root of 2 will be the diagonal length. Diagonal is equals to 16 centimeter. So I'll get the side a is equals to 16 upon under root of 2. Now I have got the side. I have got the value of the side. Now simply I have to insert it in the formula of the area. Area is equals to side square. It means 16 upon under root 2 square. Yes, what is the square of 16? 16 square is 256. Root 2 into root 2 will give me 2. 2 ones are, 2 twos are, and 2 eights are. This will give me 128 centimeter square as the area of the square inscribed in the given circle. So what we have done, they have simply given us the radius of the circle, which was 8 centimeter, and we have find the length of the diagonal based upon the diameter wala concept. Okay, and here we have got the value of side based upon the formula of the diagonal of a square, and I have just inserted whatever the value of side has come in the formula of area is equals to side square. Okay, so this was the end of today's lecture, where we have understood some of the questions regarding the 2D structure. In the upcoming lecture, we'll see the rest of the question. So this was the end of today's lecture. Thank you for watching it. If you're liking the video, please hit the like button and let me know in the comment section whatever your doubts are there regarding the enrollment of the course or regarding any question whichever we have taken in the class. Okay, so If you are new to the channel, please do subscribe it and like the video. Please share to the maximum students who are preparing for the CTET examination. And excluding the CTET examination, we have different courses for Maharashtra set, paper 1, paper 2. Similarly, for different state set examinations also we have courses available. Similarly, for UGC net paper 1, paper 2, CSIR net paper 1 and paper 2, for that also we have courses available, so that you can get enrolled to the course and score maximum marks in your upcoming examination, and you can just simply boost your preparation. Okay, so thank you for watching it. Have a great day everyone. Bye.